Good morning, Year 3 Amber. Mr. Goodall here. I hope you've all had a good weekend. This lesson in maths we will be doing volume and capacity. So we'll be exploring the difference between those two terms. Our LI for this lesson is to understand the difference between volume and capacity. Please pause the video whilst you copy this down. So let's go through the definition of volume. Volume is a measure of space. So when you're measuring liquid volume, which we'll be doing in this lesson, we'll be measuring in milliliters and liters. Capacity is also the space that an object or even a venue such as a football stadium might have for people or liquids respectively. So, for example, a beaker might have a capacity for 10 milliliters of liquid. A football stadium might have the capacity for 150,000 people. I hope this makes this clear. When we do the activities, I hope it will become even more clearer. So here we have 4 containers. Welcome again to Mr. Goodall's drawings. Haha. I'd like you to see what these 4 containers have in common. What are the similarities between them? So what they have that is the same. So please pause the video here whilst you have a think about this. So what these 4 liquid containers have in common is that they all have the capacity for 2 litres. So these liquid containers have the same capacity. So all these liquids have the same capacity, meaning they have the same space in them for 2 litres of liquid. So I hope that cleared up a few questions that you may have about the meaning of capacity. Next, we're going to tackle volume. So here are 4 more liquid containers. So again, see what similarities and this time see what differences they have as well. So please pause the video whilst you do so. Right, so the similarity is they are all 4 litres, but the difference is they are filled up to different parts of their capacity. So the similarity is these all have the same volume. Now, as I talked about earlier, we're measuring in our volume in litres. So these are all filled with different volumes of water. So these do not have the same capacity. So here we have 4 liquid containers, each containing different volumes of liquid. So these containers go up to 10 ml and their measures going up to 10 ml. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'd like you to find the different volumes of liquid and write ml next to the number you find. Please pause the video whilst you do this task. So this first container contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 milliliters of liquid. So the volume of this is 5 millimeters of liquid. The volume for this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this contains 8 milliliters of liquid. So the volume of this is 8 milliliters of liquid. This contains 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 milliliters of liquid is the volume for liquid for this container. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mil is the volume of liquid for this container. So if you got any of these right, well done indeed. So now we come to measuring capacity. So these will be counting the intervals on a measuring jug and seeing what the capacity of this measuring jug is. Here we go. So here we have our 4 liquid measuring containers. So if you could count the intervals on each of these, see how many intervals there are, and then write the number you get to on the top, and then you'll see what the capacity for each of these containers is. So please pause the video here whilst you do so. So for our first container, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 intervals. So the capacity for this liquid container is 5 millilitres. So let's write that down here below. So the capacity for this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 millilitres. So let's write 10 below here. And our capacity here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is 15 millilitres. So finally, our capacity for this one is 50 millilitres. Sorry, I forgot to write that below. And our final capacity question. So capacity, so count the intervals again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So our capacity here is 20 millilitres. So well done if you got any of these right. I know it's a new concept, so it will take time to learn, but we'll do this step by step together. So I hope you enjoyed getting to grips with volume and capacity. We'll be doing this a lot more during the week, so if you found this difficult, don't worry, we'll be breaking this down and taking this more step by step. So I hope you have a lovely rest of your Monday, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Until now, take care. Oh, and please submit any questions or work you have to year3@grange.harrow.sch.uk.